Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have my husband here with me.
The one and only.
The one and only. So today what we are doing is he found a DIY like frame mirror thing that we're gonna be doing behind our bed.
So what we do is we get our mirrors. Look at these bad boys. We get these frames from IKEA. They are 75 pence each. 75 pence. And then 50 pence each for the mirrors.
And basically, you found this by who?
So I got this idea from Stacey Solomon. She posted it, I think it was on her Instagram a while back. But then I saw it when the news article came out and I was like, I have to do that. So I was looking online and the average frame mirror type dealie that looks like a window is like £70. And then the way that we're doing it, it's going to cost us like 35.
So basically
what we do.
Yeah, what were we doing?
So mirrors. Hi ring light. What we're doing is we get these bad boys, command strips.
Velcro command strips.
Zoom in here.
But she didn't do them with command strips, did she?
Yeah.
Oh, she did?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought she did them with nails.
You don't listen.
I don't.
You didn't watch it properly.
I didn't watch properly. I just want to see the end result.
Stacey did it with bigger frames, and I couldn't find those frames for some reason. So we got these little frames, but they're going to do the job just the same. She did them with black. We're doing them with white. Because black don't work in this color aesthetic.
No. Color aesthetic.
So we've got about 20, and we're going to do it. The middle drop! We're going to do it long ways.
Yeah, so it'd be like a longer mirror instead of
instead of a fat mirror.
Yeah. No fat shaming.
So let's just see how it goes.
So as we got started on the frames and everything like that, we realized that when we were gonna push the frames onto the wall with the Velcro, it was popping out the frame. So what Ross ended up doing was
super gluing the little corners in there.
Yeah.
Oh, and this is our prep of what our command strips are going to be like. So because the command strip doesn't reach the wall when it's on the mirror actually comes with 2 sticky pads for you to stick them on the wall. Like that's what it's intended for. And then we're putting the command strips on the sticky bits, if that makes sense.
It makes a lot of
sense. So
sense.
it reaches the wall.
Yeah. What we'll be doing is down in the description box below, we will be putting all of the materials that we use in today's video in here. We will be doing a time lapse of putting everything together. So let's go. So basically what we ended up having to do was we had to measure the wall and the bed to center it, but now we need a ruler to draw a line down so we know where to put it. So Ross is just taking an old box and we're using a straight edge of it to draw all the way down the wall. You're doing great, baby. So
after all of our pencil markings, washing the walls, waiting for a little bit, setting the mirrors.
This is it. This is the final product. We're thinking about maybe adding an extra row on each side, which is really cool about this is that if you don't really know like what size you kind of want to go for, obviously you can start with like this and then you can just build onto it because they are Velcro to the wall, so you can like add onto it and make it like whatever shape or like whatever you want. So that's like the cool part about this. I definitely think measuring is really important.
Yeah.
Just because
as you can also see, like the mirror's not gonna be 100% like like look like a full picture.
Right.
But it's just for
Aesthetic reasons.
Yeah, it's just for decorative reasons. It's not actually to be used as a mirror.
I think it adds like a nice like geometric aesthetic to the room. It adds a little bit more like flair, and it's DIY. If you're into that stuff of putting everything together yourself, then I definitely recommend like doing this, because it's just a fun project and it just trains you a little bit to like think outside the box of stuff and get creative. So
and learn how to not kill your spouse.
That too, because sometimes when we're like putting stuff together, we get a little bit aggressive, but you know what?
Therapy!
No, honestly though, like I think through all of the DIY stuff, we've like learned like what you're good at, what I'm good at, and like patience. Like he has more patience with stuff like this. I'm a little bit more like just stick it on the wall and we'll see what happens, which
Don't go
well. But yeah, we really enjoy it and it looks really nice and we're really happy with it. And yeah. Well, if you guys liked this video and you would like to see some more things that me and Ross get up to in our house with decorating and creating, please give this video a thumbs up. Please click the subscribe button and also click that bell. Ring, 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 ring. So if you guys have any ideas of what you guys want to see down below, please drop a comment down below saying what you liked and what you'd like to see on the future of this channel. Also,
you could see me in a better haircut.
And a better haircut. I mean, lockdown haircut.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But yes, love you all, and I hope to see you all on the next episode. Bye.
Peace.